back with another classic 1986 Monte Carlo SS, all original. So stay tuned. We'll go ahead and take you all around her, get the test drive, get her up on the rack. All right, let's get into it. So like I said, we got an 86 Monte Carlo SS. And like I said, this thing is all original. So as you can see, it's finished with the black over maroon. I'm gonna show you how original this car is. It's got the original Eagle GT tires. I'm talking about from 87. So we are gonna put the disclosure, when we sell the car, it will be new tires on here. We'll include the originals if, you know, just for nostalgia purposes or for a collector, but we are not going to send it out with these original tires just because of the date code. These boys, they drive like squares. So, but we just want to make sure that we film and then show how original this car is before we put the new tires on. Looking at it, like I said, she's in amazing shape. I didn't see any dents or scratches or anything. Eventually, you probably will need to get a paint job if this is going to be a show car. But again, with 24,000 original miles, I think it shows pretty good. Moving along the side, all the decals and everything is where it's supposed to be. The striping is still in great shape. All the trim around the window is very good. We'll look at the interior as we go. T-tops are in solid shape. No signs of any rust. Didn't see any water damage or anything. And then looking at the hood itself, again, there's a little bit of discoloration in the black, but again, it's a 35, 38, somewhere around there. Almost 40-year-old car and all original paint. So looking down the side, she appears to be pretty straight. Rear glass, good condition, no cracks or anything to point out. Looking at the hood, I don't see any dents, divots, or any cracks in the paint. Checking out the rear, again, everything is where it's supposed to be. Lights are solid, no cracks, bumpers are good. For those in the Monte Carlo game, you know that a lot of these end up getting cracked or end up missing the centerpiece. As you see, that's still intact. And the bumper is in great condition, no cracks or anything. Checking out the passenger side, again, she appears to be pretty straight, no type of dents or anything to point out. Actually, I'm sorry, you got one little dent right here, very small. Again, glass is good. And again, all of the decals rolling down the side are in great condition. True SS car. Windshield good, no cracks, no rock chips. And again, 4 matching Eagle GTs at all corners. Checking out the hood. Again, the hood is in good condition. It was aligned properly. You can kind of tell by the alignment. Corners aren't catching, no paint peeling. And again, no rock chips or anything to point out. Looking at the front of the car, bumper looks solid. Lights are in good condition. And again, looking at the spoiler, no cracks or anything along the bumper. Very, very good body. Let me grab the keys, check the trunk out, and check the keys on the other side. I'll walk around. And as expected, underneath, engine bay super clean. You got the stock 305 AC blows ice cold. It's been recharged, but as you can see, nothing's been changed underneath here. Looks like it did fresh off the factory. Grab the keys. So looking at the trunk, black looks beautiful. You can see all of the RPO codes. You can see the jack instructions. All that's still there. Weather stripping looks solid. We got the T-tops and the original T-top bags. Glass is good. There are no cracks or anything like that. Trunk is super clean. We'll check out underneath, and we still got the spare tire as well. Checking out the inside of the car. Interior is in excellent condition. Power windows, everything works the way it's supposed to. Radio works. Like I said, the driver's side panels, good condition. No warping, no discoloration. Jams are nice and solid. Checking out the rear seat. Headliner solid in the rear. Got your rear lights still working. And checking out the seat, no type of anything, no rips, no tears. Just a beautiful, beautiful interior, and this maroon really has stood the test of time. Like I say, anybody that cares about G-bodies, is definitely just a classic interior. Driver's seat, good condition, no burn holes, no discoloration, no cracking. And we check out the dash again, no cracks in the dash. Mileage reads exactly 24,695. That is Carfax verified as well. Console good, no warping on that center console. And again, carpet is nice too. Let me get to the other side. Passenger door panel, again, no warping, no issues there. Dash is in perfect condition, so is the carpet. And passenger seat, no rips, no tears. Seams are good too. So almost a perfect interior in my opinion. So we got the 86 up on the rack. Looking at the rear bumper underneath, looks clean. I don't see any cracks or anything that picked up. As you can see, she is super clean underneath. I'm gonna take a guess and say at some point in time this gas tank was replaced. I'm pretty sure it wouldn't look like this after 25,000 miles. But looking at the trunk pan, spare tire pan, getting up in here, this thing is clean underneath. There are no signs of rust through the frame extensions, rear of the bumpers. Everything is nice and clean. Got drum brakes in the rear, all the original suspension it looks like. Looks like the original exhaust as well. Frame is nice and straight, no signs of any accidents, any patchwork, anything like that. Floor pans themselves are nice and solid, as I would expect with such low miles. No signs of any leak from the oil or trans pan. Still got the cats on. Got disc brakes up in the front like they normally do, and all stock suspension. So this thing is just a super OG, all original car with like I said, no issues. No signs of any leak from the AC or the radiator either. Checking out this front bumper and getting the bottom splitter. Again, no cracks or paint peeling or anything. Running down the passenger side. Most Monte Carlos, this is a good sign of like wear and tear. You'll start getting a little bit of a warping here from the bottom panel. Wheel wells are nice and solid. Again, original OG tires. Body and frame look nice and solid underneath. Wheel wells have no rust. And the wheels too, the wheels are in excellent condition too. There's no pitting or anything like that. Rear quarter panel looks good. Get over to the driver's side. No issues there. Rolling along the body. Super clean.